Welcome back in your English class. We were on nouns and kinds of nouns. So open your English language notebooks. We have already done the definition and exercise 1. Now today we are going to do exercise 2. But before doing the exercise, we will write the definition. Write down today's date 6/8/2020. A. We have already written the definition of noun. Then we wrote different kinds of nouns. So today I'll be explaining you proper noun and common noun. On a new page, write down today's date. A. Proper noun. Leave one line, then write down the definition. A noun, one finger gap should be there between the words, which names a particular person, place, animal, or a thing. Full stop. New line. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Full stop. Next line. We never use the, underline it, before the names of people. Full stop. For example, Sakshi lives in Paris. Now in this, if you will see, S is capital for Sakshi and P is capital for Paris. Now again leave one line and write down B, common noun. A noun that gives a common name to people, comma, place, animals, or things of the same kind. Full stop. For example, man, village, games, etc. Now, what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are names of a particular. Particular means specially जब हम किसी की बात करते हैं. A special person, a special place, a special animal, a special thing. जो भी चीज़ स्पेशल है और वन है, a person, place, animal or thing, that is counted in proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Proper nouns को हम हमेशा capital letters में लिखते हैं. First letter will be capital. We never use the before the names of people. जब हम किसी पर्सन का नेम लिख रहे हैं उसके नेम के आगे हम द नहीं लगाते. इट कैनॉट बी द अमिताभ बच्चन. रॉन्ग. इट विल ओनली बी अमिताभ बच्चन. See, example, Sakshi lives in Paris. Sakshi, S capital, the letter which is beginning, first letter capital, and here P, Paris, P capital. Now moving on to common noun. Common noun, what is a common noun? A noun that gives a common name to people, place, animals or things. Common name दिया हुआ है. Suppose I gave an example of आगरा, दिल्ली, लखनऊ, ये सारी क्या हैं? सिटीज़ हैं. तो आगरा, लखनऊ, दिल्ली, मुंबई, इनका एक कॉमन नेम क्या हुआ? सिटीज़. ये सारे सिटीज़ में काउंट होते हैं. पेंसिल, इरेजर, शार्पनर, यस, ये सारी चीज़, नोटबुक, बुक्स, स्केच पेन्स, कलर्स, ये सारे किस में काउंट होते हैं? स्टेशनरी. इनका एक कॉमन नेम क्या हुआ? स्टेशनरी. एग्जाम्पल, मैन, विलेज, गेम्स, एसेट्रा. Then we'll begin exercise. Write down date again. This will be our exercise 2. Leave one line and write down the heading. Match the common nouns with proper nouns. Full stop. This side we'll write the common names and this side we'll write the special names. Four, 5, 6. Vegetable. Here we'll write animal, flower, train, city, and food. This side we'll write tiger, cabbage, Delhi Metro, then lily, dosa, and Agra. Now these are all common names and the proper nouns. Vegetable. A proper noun here is cabbage for a vegetable. Animal, tiger. Flower. Flower is a common name and lily is a special name given to a flower. Train, Delhi Metro. City. City is a common name and Agra is a special name, particular name of a city. Then food, dosa. So this work you have to do in your notebook. Moving on to book work. Now open your grammar books. Page number 9. Find the proper nouns from the words given below. Sort them in the blanks. Don't forget to use capital letters. I told you that proper nouns are always written in capitals. First letter will be capital of a proper noun. Now here are 20 names given. Amongst them we have to sort the persons and places. Mrs. Chopra. So she is a person, so we'll write her name here, capital first letter. Then Mr. Chopra. Chennai is not a name. Smita is the name of a girl. Then colony, no. Line, no. Mrs. Kavita, yes. Vidyanchal, no. Summer, mountain, road, watch, king, Yamuna, Akbar, yes. Akbar was a great king. River, hospital. So these are the names of persons. Now we have to write down places. The names which we have done, we'll just cross it. Radio is a place? No. President? No. Great Britain? Yes. It's a place. Capital, first letter. Chennai? Yes. Colony? Line? Vidyanchal? Then summer, mountain, road, watch, king, Yamuna, river, hospital. So these are the names of places, special places. Now moving on to question number 2. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters wherever required. Please write down date on the top. This you have to do in homework. You have to write down these sentences again, but you have to use capital letters wherever required. I am doing one for you. Sourav Ganguly was the captain of the Indian cricket team. Now Sourav Ganguly is a name. So first letter will be capital. Was the captain of the, now Indian, it's a special name now, a particular name it is, Indian cricket team. Special team, we are saying that he is the captain of the Indian cricket team. So this will be capital. Full stop. Try these, then we'll discuss them tomorrow. Bye bye.